I don't know about you, but I love chicken, and so do the many students here on campus who were thrilled for the grand opening of Haven Hot Chicken this Saturday, November 18th. Come with me and let's check out and see what they have to offer. The crispy and spicy chicken here is made with a Nashville-styled concept and has various locations around Connecticut, some of which include New Haven, North Haven, and Norwalk. It's located in downtown Storrs near Price Chopper and next to the UPS store and replaces the former Wingstop.
So I'm super excited to announce that Haven Hot Chicken at UConn will be opening this Saturday, the 18th. We're starting at 10 a.m. Everyone should come down. We're giving away 500 of our sliders. And this is the best hot chicken and not chicken that you will ever have, and I guarantee that.
Students have voiced their complaints over the years regarding the lack of quote-unquote good restaurants in downtown Storrs. But with the new addition of this restaurant, we are hoping to see some increased positivity. Reporting from the New Haven Hot Chicken on Storrs, Connecticut, this is JJU, UCTV News.